This is just the working. So obviously the first one, lads, as we said there previously, you're going to start with all the workings that are on the left hand side of the receipts and payments. Now again, it's very, very similar to the club accounts. We're going to start with working one, and that's going to be the shop profit and loss account. Okay, so draw it out. So opening is going to be shop receipts. That was for the amount of €85,000. Just put it in that column there. 85,000. Okay, then we're at next heading. So it's going to be less cost of sales. Underline it, and then same procedure. So opening stock plus purchases. Okay. Less closing stock. Okay, and our details are as follows. So €5,000 of opening stock, 5,000, 38,600 for purchases, and that's just the purchases of the shop, lads, don't forget, okay? 38,600 minus 1,800 for closing stock, which is going to be on the following page, right at the top there, so under I. Okay, throw all that into the calculator, and we should get 41,800. Okay, so if I take that away from the top line, I should get €43,200. Okay, next heading then after that, so it's like a mini profit and loss account, okay? It's going to be less expenses. And we want to do any expenses directly associated with the shop, okay? And so if you flick over the page there to 44 and have a look down there to working VI, okay? So it says there are specific expenses associated to the shop. So the first one's going to be light and heat. Again, lads, this is on the following page. It's on page 44, and it is for the amount, so working VI. Okay, so VI, all these are going to be VI. Is that all right? Okay, so we've got light and heat, and that was for the amount of €300. Insurance and telephone. Okay, so their figures are given, 850 and 400. 850 for insurance and 400 for telephone. And the last one then is wages. But it says here, lads, if you look, it says there the wages amount include €24,000 per annum, who also runs the shop. And it says 60% of this salary is a portion to the shop, okay? So what we want to do is we want to get 60% of 24,000. 24 multiplied by 60%. Try it into the calculator, and you should get a total of 14,400. Is that okay? Okay, so we've got wages, 14,400. Is that all right? Yeah, that should do it. Yeah, total that up, and we get 15,950. And so our total is going to be 27,250. Is that okay? And that's a profit from the shop. Is that all right? So